when the CFAIR air compressor has been running for 250 hours, can ensure the performance of the air compressor. Before you begin, the unit must be shut down and depressurized. Before starting, prepare the corresponding accessories in the accessories list. Replace engine oil filter. Use a tension tool to twist the replace engine oil filter. Rotate forcefully in the direction of the arrow. Remove replace engine oil filter. Wipe away oil stains. Replace with new engine oil filter. Tighten in the direction of the arrow. Place engine, fuel filter. Put on the elastic tool and twist it out in the direction of the arrow. Take out the replace engine, fuel filter. Install a new replace engine, fuel filter. Tighten replace engine fuel filter. If your air compressor is new, you need to replace the compressor oil filter. Put on the elastic tool and twist it out in the direction of the arrow. Replace compressor oil filter. Replace new compressor oil filter. Install the compressor oil filter by pressing in the direction of the arrow. Tighten the compressor oil filter. The replace engine oil be replaced. Please prepare the following items before you start. Step 1. Place prepared oil containers. Step 2. Install the supplied oil pipe. Step 3. Turn on the switch and drain all the oil. Step 4. Please turn off the switch. Step 5. Add CF-415 double engine oil here.